Guys and gals, Brad here, LaytonSportsCards, ripping a Prizm Draft football box for Nathan S. Good luck, Nathan. Silver, Mark Andrews. Purple, Joe Burrow. Not numbered. Wonder if it's short printed. /99, red, white, and blue rookie auto, Cam Akers. There you go, Cam Akers. Oh, you mean Mike? Yeah, Mike's here. Got camo Aaron Rodgers, orange Jordan Love, /49 Mojo rookie auto Nate Stanley. Joe Burrow, AJ Dillon. Wave, Tom Brady. Silver, Jonathan Taylor. Auto, silver, Colby Parkinson. Rookie auto there, Parkinson. Ah, Mike, you rascal. You can stop messing. You little rascal, Mike. We got green and yellow, Joey Bosa. Red, white, and blue, Brian Lewerke. James Morgan, silver auto, not numbered. Ezekiel Elliott, Bryce Hall, /149, orange rookie auto, Zach Bond. Zach Bond. And base. And there you go, Nathan S. That does it for your box, buddy. Thank you.